How to change A's on Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your A's on Twitter. Now the process is quite simple. All you have to do is open up the app. Once you open up Twitter app, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to change your A's of. Once you do it, once you log in, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can see the profile icon, tap on it and head into profile option. Now here on profile, you can see below my profile username, you can see born 15 July 2000. Now this is my birth date. Now to change your birth date, what you can do is simply tap on the edit profile option at the left hand side of your screen. Once here, if you scroll down, you can see the date of birth option, 15 July 2000. Simply tap on it, tap on your birth date, and here you can see the birth date again tap on it and you can see edit date of birth option popping up. All you need to do is tap on your date of birth and you'll get this option. Simply tap on edit option. Once on edit, you can change your date of birth if you want here. Or if you want to remove your date of birth, you can simply tap on remove date of birth. Once you change your date of birth, simply tap on continue and your date of birth will be changed. So once you change it, simply tap on save option at the top right corner of your screen. So this way you can change your date of birth or you can change your A's. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.